today that matter regarding flyover at Porvorim came up before the High Court. High Court asked for the compliance report. We submitted a compliance report. In the compliance report, most of the things are shown to be complied with. There are 2 or 3 things which are majorly required to be done by the contractor and PWD. One thing is the stretch at Damian, the Goa and Hyundai showroom. That hot mixing has not taken place in that area, which is also a problem for the commuters and the vehicles. That is one thing. Second thing is at Kokero Junction near the PWD tank. There small area of around 10 meters or 20 meters. Hot mixing remain to be done. That also has to be complied with. There is another issue as far as putting some lights there. That's a real problem of darkness and in certain stretches. Those are required to be complied with. The fourth thing is in some areas where the shifting of electrical lines are required to be done. That is happening at not a satisfactory level. We have told the contractor that he has to comply with these things as early as possible. That is what is submitted before the High Court today. High Court has kept the matter on Monday. In the meanwhile, High Court has directed the contractor to complete the incomplete works. And if any compliance remain to be done, that has to be complied with by Monday. A specific order has been passed by the High Court to that effect. And contractor will have to submit his report on these compliances by Monday.
Regarding traffic marshals?
As far as traffic marshals are concerned, the requirement is of 30 traffic marshals. But what is observed there is there are only 15 traffic marshals, and that is required to be improved. That is also pointed out to the High Court, and the contractor will have to comply with it.